Let's assemble the MK-17. First, let's take the main bar with the lights. As you can see, there is the long screw that holds up the long bar with the short bar. We need to loosen it a little so the short bar can move. And we move it back like this. Do not lose the rubber rings because we need to use them, otherwise the screws will get loose easily. So we have it like this, then we tighten the screw back. So this is what you get. Now we need to take the white bag and take out the phone holder. And place it here behind the lights. Like that. Of course, you can move it to the side as you need, according to your phone, so your phone camera is right in the center between the lights. Now we take the tripod. It has another rubber ring here. And you screw in the tripod in this long screw. And this is it. MK-17 is ready to use. Now you can adjust the angle of the lights. You can move them to around 90-degree angle for better photos. You put your phone here in the clip, like this, and you can take photos already. If you need, you can adjust the position of the lights. Use these screws at the bottom, like this, just loosen up a little and then tighten them back, so you can place them wider. So this is the widest position you have. You see, there is really lots of place. And this is it. It's ready to use. If you get any questions, please write in the comments.